Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday, which everyone calls it Friday Eve. Um, it's, yeah, this weekend I actually have a 3-day weekend. Yay! So I have Saturday through Monday off. So, um, I'm up. It's 5:34. I'm gonna get breakfast ready. Get some breakfast pretty soon. Um, I didn't turn the dishwasher on because it wasn't full. So I don't have to unload the dishwasher yet. Probably throughout the day I will. Probably this afternoon. Um, so I don't know what to eat for breakfast. So I'm going to figure it out in a minute. Um, how hungry am I? That's the question. That's the thing. Today I'm just working from 7 to 3:30 today. I do have errands I have to run today. I have to go fill my car up. I have to go to Costco. Yeah, I am. You heard it right. I'm not ordering from Costco. I have to go into Costco. Because what I have to get is not, I don't think it's over 100. So, because I think it has to be 150 of items worth. So I don't think what I have to get. I don't think it's that much this time. What else am I gonna do after that? Probably just come home, have some dinner, and get ready for the next day. I guess that's about all I could say. Uh, can't believe tomorrow's Friday already. Yay! Um, I don't think I need to put a big grocery order in either this week. Um, I've looked in the freezer, the cabinet, so I think I'm all good. I think I might get a few things, but yeah. So yeah, I think that's about it. So I'll talk to you guys more later. Easy type breakfast. I'm not having eggs or anything like that. I'm having 2 Pop-Tarts, pineapple, and a glass of milk. That's all I wanted right now. I'll probably snack some later on in the day, so that's how it usually goes. Um, yeah. Um, so I'll talk to you guys more in a little while. Lunchtime. Let's see what I have for lunch. Long sub. I thought I'd order it 6-inch, but I guess either I'll save it for tomorrow or try to eat it all. At least I have lunch for today or tomorrow possibly, which is good. Probably won't have time to make lunch tomorrow. Just because when I clock out, I want to get out of here. So head north. So I'll talk to you guys more in a little while. Here's my Subway. I have a meatball sub with lettuce, cucumbers, and some chips and a cookie. And I got a Coke because I need the caffeine because after I clock out, like I said, I have some running around I have to do. So I have to get my car washed. I have to go get my car checked. I have to go get new wipers. Well, new wipers basically. So I'll talk to you guys more later. My car, I just clocked out 20 minutes, 10 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, whatever. I have some errands I gotta run. I gotta go to get the car washed. I gotta go get the new wipers, and I gotta get the car serviced because of us traveling tomorrow. I need to get that done. And then I have to go get some gas at Costco. And I gotta go into Costco too. So first time going to Costco in months. hopefully I'll be back by whatever, by 4:30 or 5 at least. Probably not until 6. It depends how long it would take to get car service. I used to get it done at Pep Boys. I don't do the dealer that much anymore. Just, you know how dealers are sometimes. So I'll talk to you guys more in a little while. Service. Yeah, it wasn't so bad. So it took an hour, maybe 45 minutes. But it's done. It's out of the way for another 5 months or 5,000 mileage. Now I'm gonna go get some gas and go to Costco. So I'll talk to you guys. You know, I'm gonna run by the apartment first. So see if Chris wants to go. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. First time I've been here in like 6 months. So I've been here for a while. Good to be back. Now let me go do my shopping so I can get out of here without any temptation. At Costco. Not as busy like it usually is. I'm looking for Christables. Oh, there they are. Oh, it feels so good to be in here. Easy to go lunch. So I'll go ahead and well, I probably need to get out of here. So I'll see you guys more later. Hey everyone, do you think I should get this, the word search book? You know what? It'd be fun. Yeah, I'll do it just for a reason. Yeah, so I'll get this. You know, I wonder how long it would take me. Last one I got big size like that. I think it took me a whole year to complete it. So let's see how long it will take me this time. I'm with my errands. I got a couple of sliced pizzas, one slice for Chris, one slice for me. That should be it. I'm probably have a salad with it. So now I am heading home. Yeah, I enjoyed getting out of the apartment for a while. So I'm on my way home. And then get ready for tomorrow, I guess. So I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Yeah, welcome to Arizona monsoons. Look how dark it is over there. There's been lightning. That's thunder. Yeah, I was going to go run down to Walgreens a little while ago, but you know what? I decided to forget Walgreens for now. I reparked my car down there. So it's in a cover spot. And I'll just remove it tomorrow. Get it all packed up for, yeah, it's parked down there. Yeah, I think I can hear Granny and my mom saying, "What on earth are you doing outside on a night like this?" And I would have to say, I don't know. I am wondering myself. But you know what? Storms like this in Arizona doesn't come very often. I don't know if this is an excuse or not, but you know what? To me, it's my excuse. And it's raining. Aha! Besides, there's plenty of other people who lives here who would probably ask me the question, what are you doing out here? You know what? I don't know. Whoa. That, my friend, you call lightning. So I'm gonna wait. Oh, look at the rain coming down. What's out there? Probably now, no need to go get the mail. Yeah, I'll probably get a few phone calls tomorrow. Ask me what I was doing out here. I'm not doing the shower tonight. I'm gonna wait in the morning where it's safe because there's thunder and lightning around. And I was always told not to take a shower when there's a lightning and thundering around. So I'm just gonna play it safe. Get up extra early in the morning and get my shower then. I guess that's okay. It has to be okay. Yeah. Anyways, I have my glass of milk here and a couple cookies. This afternoon I got a lot accomplished. I got up at around 5 something, worked from 7 to 3:30. Then as soon as I clocked out, I grabbed my purse, went to the car wash, got the car wash, and guess what? It rained. But luckily my car is parked underneath the cover parking spot, so that's good. And we got my car serviced, and the funny thing was I got new wipers today. Who knew? Who knows? I got the wipers, and it's raining outside. And then after that I went to Costco to get gas for the car, and then I went inside of Costco and got some stuff, and I got my first slice of Costco pizza in 6 months. Wow, wow, wow. And then came home, ate the pizza, and then I was watching the news about the weather, and now I'm just closing out the video. You remember what to do. Keep in contact with your loved ones, your friends, your family, co-workers, anyone. Tell them how much you mean to them and all that good stuff. You like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below what a wonderful evening it is, wherever you are. If you're getting some stormy weather, nice weather, clear weather, whatever. And talk to you guys more later, and you have a wonderful evening. Stay safe, don't go out there. It's ugly out there. I don't know. Have a wonderful evening. I'll see you guys more tomorrow, and have a wonderful day. Good night.